Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson Expression Home XP-4200 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to scan documents with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your computer both are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. So if you go to the control panel, use up arrow and go to Wi-Fi image. Select OK. It will show you Wi-Fi recommended is in blue color. What that means is the printer is connected via a Wi-Fi network. If you connect it via Wi-Fi direct will be in blue color. So the printer is connected via Wi-Fi network with computer. I want to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your computer. 4 methods, 4 ways to scan documents from this printer to your computer. Open the glass scanner and put the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see white arrow on the bottom. Close the cover. Go to laptop start. Go to the settings. Then select printers and scanners. Add a device. You need to look for Epson XP-4200 series on the list. Select on it. The printer is showing us idle. We want to scan document. Then you select scanner settings. Then open scanner. This is the printer. Select source as flatbed. File type PDF. Show more. The color. Want to scan the document in color. Resolution 300 dpi. And want to save the file to document. Then select scan. To view this document, then select view. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P. Then select number of copies. Layout, portrait, want to print all. We want to print it in color. Print on one side. More settings. The paper A4. Scale, fit to printable area. 1 page per sheet. Then select print. The document is printing. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. It will also show you from the screen, printing complete. Then select OK. Another method to scan documents. Then scroll down to select more devices and printer settings. It will show you printer image, Epson XP-4200 series. Click on the printer, then right click. It will show you set as default, printing preference, printer property, start scan. Select start scan. It will bring out scanner dialog. So put the document, we want to scan the same document, put the document on the glass scanner. Then select profile as document, source, flatbed, color, want to scan it in color, file type, PNG, resolution, 300 dpi. You can select brightness, you can increase the brightness or contrast. Both are currently on default setting. Then you select scan. So this is the second method. The document is scanning. So the document is scanned. Then you select more option. Then browse where you want to save the document. Want to save it in document, and folder name, date imported is selected. Then you select OK. Then select next. We'll show you the document. Then you select import. So the document is imported to the PC. If you want to see this document, then you need to close the file. Then go to File Explorer. Then you go to Documents. Then type the date the document was scanned. So once you type the date, it will show you, and also check the time. This is the document, the first on the list. Right-click the mouse, double click it to open. This is the document we scanned. You can print it out if you like, but I will not print it out because I already printed first option. So another method to scan document I want to show you, we're going to scan from the control panel. So go to scan, use right arrow button, go to scan, select OK to scan. And it will show you computer, cloud, or WSD. So select computer, select OK to computer. Install Epson Scan Smart software on the computer to use this feature. See your documentation for more details. When you are setting up this printer, for the full setup guide, you should be able to select Epson Scan 2 on the software required. Once you install that on the software required, then you select OK. Select OK. Then it will show you the computer. This is my computer here. It will show you USB, or scroll down to select computer. This is the computer. Then select OK. It will show you computer. Then you scroll down to select preview on the computer. Preview on the computer. Then you select save as PDF. Select OK. Then you select start. So the document is scanning. And also you need to wait for this to show on the computer. This is the document scanning on the computer. This is the preview. And this is the image. It will show you the date. So the file is opened from the computer. Another method to scan document, you can also use Epson Scan 2. If you select Epson Scan 2, select on the app. So the app is getting ready. So put the document you want to scan. Then printer. It will show you Epson XP-4200 series network. Scan setting, default, mode, document. Document source, glass scanner. The type as document, image type, color, resolution, 300 dpi selected. And also I want us to add another page. So select add another page. File type, PDF, file name. Select document. So it will save the date document was scanned. Then select scan. This is the fourth method. The document is scanning. So you can scan this document up to 4 methods you can use. So you can scan to computer, Windows, and Epson Scan 2. With Epson Scan 2, you can add multiple page document as well. So this document is scanned. To scan next page, you place the document, close the cover, then you select add. So you're scanning the second page. Once you're done, select exit to save this document, then select save. So the document is saved. If you want to see this document, the next thing to do is you need to go to File Explorer. So close this, go to File Explorer, then select Documents, then type the date the document was scanned. This is the document, and also check the time. This is the first method, PDF. Double click the document to open. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P. I want us to print it two-sided. Then scroll down, select two-sided, long edge. Printer is selected, select number of copies, layout, more settings, the size A4, actual size 100%, then select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out in color, two-sided. This is how to scan document in 4 methods. Thank you very much indeed.